الحمدللہ الذی خلق كل شيء فقدره تقدیرا وكان سبحانه بعباده لطيفا خبيرا أرسله بالحق بشيرا ونذيرا صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وصحابه ومن تبعهم بإحسان وسلم تسليما كثيرا أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنما المؤمنون إخوة فأصلحوا بين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم ترحمون وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم لا تباغضوا ولا تحاسدوا ولا تدابروا وكونوا عباد الله إخوانا. Honorable President, respected judges and my dear friends, today's in this annual function I would like to deliver a speech on the topic of Islam and Brotherhood. My dear friends, as you know and daily you study in Quran and Sunnah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator of this world. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the maker. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala merciful, and He is the Lord of the day of judgment of hereafter. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Holy Quran, وَإِن تَعُدُّوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ لَا تُحْصُوهَا. O people, if you would count Allah's favors, you cannot compute them. If you try to count Allah's favors, you never ever compute them. It means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us billions and billions and billions favor. We never count them. One of them, brotherhood. What is the brotherhood? Brotherhood is a gift by Allah. Brotherhood is a very important gift given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Holy Quran, وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold firmly the rope of the Allah all together and don't become divided. وَاذْكُرُوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ عَلَيْكُمْ إِذْ كُنْتُمْ أَعْدَاءً فَأَلَّفَ بَيْنَ قُلُوبِكُمْ. And remember the fear of Allah upon you when you were enemies and He brought your hearts. فَأَصْبَحْتُمْ بِنِعْمَتِهِ إِخْوَانًا. And you become a brother by His favor. My dear friends, brotherhood in Islam is a comprehensive concept that is based upon good characters with others. In another place, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ إِخْوَةً فَأَصْلِحُوا بَيْنَ أَخَوَيْكُمْ. The believers are brothers. فَأَصْلِحُوا بَيْنَ أَخَوَيْكُمْ. So make reconciliation between your brothers. My dear friends, when you study, when you read Sahih Bukhari, Muhammad bin Ismail al-Bukhari rahimahullah mentions the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, لا تدخلوا الجنة حتى تؤمنوا ولا تؤمنوا حتى تحابوا. Dear audience, listen carefully and think deeply in these golden words. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, لا تدخلوا الجنة. You never ever enter the paradise. You never ever enter the heaven. You never ever enter the Jannah until you believe. Until you believe Allah, until you believe angels, until you believe hereafter, until you believe the day of judgment, until you believe the Quran. وَلَا تُؤْمِنُوا حَتَّى تَحَابُّوا. And you never ever is such a believers until you حَتَّى تَحَابُّوا, until you love each other. Dear audience, in another hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, لَا تَبَاغَضُوا وَلَا تَحَاسَدُوا وَلَا تَدَابَرُوا وَكُونُوا عِبَادَ اللَّهِ إِخْوَانًا. O people, don't hate each other. Don't hate each other. Don't enemy each other. And don't away from each other. وَكُونُوا عِبَادَ اللَّهِ إِخْوَانًا. And make servants of Allah. My dear friends, when you read Quran and Sunnah, there are many ahadith, there are many verses who tell us the importance of brotherhood in Islam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in another place, Al-Muslimuna karajulin wahid. The Muslims like a single man. In ishtaka aynuhu ishtaka kullu. If the eye is afflicted, then the whole body is afflicted. Wa in ishtaka ra'suhu ishtaka kullu. And if the head afflicted, then the whole body is afflicted. My dear friends, and if you want to know best example in Islam about brotherhood in Islam, when you study our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's life, when he traveled from Makkah to Medina, and he uphold brotherhood between Sa'd ibn Rabi and Abdurrahman bin Auf. That is the most important and beautiful example for everyone. That's all. May Allah give us to uphold the brotherhood in Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.